Bombshell details in the Jussie Smollett case. The actor made his first court appearance today. A judge set his bond at $100,000. He's accused of giving false information and disorderly conduct in when he alleged a racial and homophobic attack he said he was a victim of last month. He's now accused of orchestrating his own hate crime against himself. Mike Tobin with the latest at Cook County Criminal Court in Chicago. Mike.
Jussie, any comment?
$10,000 is what the star-turned-suspect Jussie Smollett posted to walk free from the Cook County jail.
You guys want to speak on Smollett's behalf?
His supportive siblings were silent, filing out of the courthouse. Judge John Light called the Empire star outrageous for conjuring up evil from the nation's history. And an assistant state's attorney laid out in intricate detail how Smollett planned a bogus hate crime, enlisting the help of Abel and Ola Asundero, getting them in his car January 25th.
Once inside, Smollett asked Ola if he could trust him. When Ola said he could, Smollett detailed his plans of the attack to the brothers.
An angry superintendent of police in Chicago said the motive was dissatisfaction with his salary. So Smollett conjured up a scheme for a hate crime complete with homophobic slurs, hateful politics, and painful symbols of racism.
Why would anyone, especially an African-American man, use the symbolism of a noose to make false accusations? How could someone look at the hatred and suffering associated with that symbol and see an opportunity to manipulate that symbol to further his own public profile?
In light of the charges, 20th Century Fox, which produces Empire and is owned by the same parent company as Fox News, said we are evaluating the situation and we are considering our options. President Trump weighed in on Twitter. What about MAGA and the tens of millions you insulted with your racist and dangerous comments? The FBI got involved when a threatening letter covered in crushed Tylenol for white powder was delivered to the Empire studios. Now it's clear it was sent by Smollett.
Smollett attempted to gain attention by sending a false letter that relied on racial, homophobic, and political language.
With the words that said, "Smollett Jussie, you will die, black." There was no address, but the return address said in big red, like caps, MAGA. Did I make that up too?
And a couple of the items we learned today: that Smollett paid the brothers to beat him up, but not too bad, and he paid with a personal check. His role on the show appears to be unchanged thus far. His attorney announced that he had a shoot scheduled this afternoon, and in fact, when he left the courthouse, the SUV he was riding in went to CineSpace Studios, where Empire is shot. Liz?
Mike Tobin in Chicago. Thank you so much, Mike. Coming up, more Democrats standing up and against the Green New Deal.